Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about Torchlight and basically why it has been struggling so much over the past 2 days. It's the second consecutive red day and now it's at over a 50% loss from its all-time highs, which was just 2 days ago. And yeah, it's just been really struggling. So anyways guys, I now have a Discord link so that you can find that in the description or the pinned comment section if you guys wanted to join. And also make sure you guys leave that early like on the video, because liking the video is the #1 thing you can do to help me out on this platform. Check out the other links in the description and pinned comment section to sign up for public, where you get up to $70 in free stock just for signing up. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so before we get into this explanation, let's just take a look at what exactly has been going on with Torchlight's chart. Torchlight is down 2% on the day. Now, at market open, I don't think it was shorts covering, but there was definitely some buying pressure and anticipation of a short squeeze. I guess we were up 15% at one point, all the way back to $5.69. Now, if you look at the week, you can see that that's nowhere even close to some of its all-time highs. Now, we've dropped down consistently throughout the day. So if we go back to the month, still up 100% on the month, but it's not anywhere like those 300% gains that we were at just a few days ago, which is unfortunate. Now, what essentially happened is at these elevated price levels, the company decided to increase their offering from $100 million to $250 million worth of shares that are sold at the market. So they're just newly listed shares on NASDAQ, which increases the total supply of shares available to be traded, and therefore increased supply lowers price. Simple economics: you decrease supply, the intersection point goes down. That decreases price. I hope that visual explanation helps you out if you don't understand supply and demand. The second reason is just simply a massive increase in short positions. As you can see, short interest is up 8.42% on the day, which is absolutely insane. The current estimated short interest is 27%. And if we just look at the 7-day change, there's been a 44% increase in estimated short interest in just 7 days. And a lot of these shorts got in at this range of around $9, $8, $7 a share, and it's currently trading at $4.80 per share, which means that a lot of shorts are actually making money on this stock. And that increased shareholder delusion, which further perpetuated the price, actually puts short sellers in a better position now if they cover their shares. So pretty much now, only the early short sellers that short sold under $3 a share before this whole run up began, so the short sellers before June 14th, people who did $3.50 or below, which was only about 12% of the active short sellers, those are the ones that are in the hole still. The rest of the short sellers have either broke even or made money. And that latter group of the people who have broke even or made money short selling this stock, I think that's around 60% of the current short sellers that are in this stock. If you want up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1, use the link in the description to sign up for Public. Public is a stock investing application that is also a social media that relies on customer tips to operate. And what I mean by this is they don't do any payment for order flow. They don't sell your trading data like other companies that I'm not going to mention. And they rely off of tips alone, so you know you're going to be getting the best customer service. The social media aspect of it is awesome. You can follow people, influencers, celebrities, you name it, see what they're investing in, and I think it's just an awesome idea. I personally love using Public. Up to $70 in free stock using those links below. Let's get back into the video. This brings me into the next reason why this stock fell. So now there's less reason to buy because we're past that ex-dividend date. So June 22nd was the last day you could buy this stock and receive the dividend. So obviously that's less reason to buy. You're no longer getting the dividend. So from a short seller's perspective, if there's less reason to buy, there's more of an incentive to short. And I believe that that is part of the reason why short interest is up 8.42% on the day, because these short sellers understand that there's less reason to buy the stock as of today than there was just a few days ago. And that also leads into the next point. So as of tomorrow, people will be receiving their preferred stock dividend. So current shareholders of the company will be receiving that dividend, and they can sell their stock at any point tomorrow and still get the dividend as long as they hold through the end of the day today. So that creates even more selling pressure, because people who were only in it for the dividend now have more reason to sell and less reason to buy. And the only people who will continue to be holding throughout tomorrow are the people who obviously want the dividend, but they also want their stock to convert into that metamaterials stock. Now, that being said, tomorrow is probably the strongest potential day to get this short squeeze, because shorts are thinking that if people dump their shares tomorrow morning after they receive that dividend, they will have the perfect time to cover. It makes sense. The most selling volume from retail investors would come after they receive their dividend. So if I were a short seller on this stock, I believe that tomorrow morning would probably be the best time to cover my position. So my current prediction is that we will still see decreased price action throughout after hours tonight and pre-market tomorrow, and then at market open we will see a bunch of market sells of people that want to get rid of their stock because they received that dividend. So in conclusion, to sum up everything that I've said in this video, it all started with that increased stock offering from $100 million worth of shares to $250 million worth of shares. That was the initial phase that sent this price down. Number two, after June 22nd, there was way less reason to buy because you no longer get access to that preferred stock dividend. When there's less reason to buy, shorts can come in and drive down that share price. The reason that short interest is up almost 8% on the day is because they know that tons of retail buyers are going to be dumping their shares at market open and pre-market tomorrow morning, as they've already captured that dividend, and that was likely one of the only reasons that some of these retail investors wanted to invest. So shorts will be looking to cover after all of this selling pressure has concluded and the stock price is at its lowest point, which I believe will be right after market opens tomorrow morning of June 25th. So a great way for you guys to play on this short squeeze in terms of a day trade, unless you want to buy it for metamaterials at the cheapest price, you should get in tomorrow after market open, and I definitely think that that is your best opportunity to get in on the short squeeze, as most of the selling pressure will be over at that point. None of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so please don't listen to me and do your own due diligence when investing in the stock market. However, this is what I have figured out from the research and seeing all of these indicators. I am pretty sure I understand what exactly these shorts are doing and what exactly I think is going to happen as of tomorrow. There's no way out of it for the shorts. I believe that about 40% of the current short interest has lost money on this stock, and then the other 60% has either made money or broken even, as short interest has increased dramatically over the past week. And while not all shorts are going to be losing money on their short position, 100% of the people short are required to cover their position by market close tomorrow. So therefore, I think it is very likely that we do see increased buying pressure as of tomorrow from shorts. That's all I have for the video for you guys today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and like the video to help me out here on this channel. There's always those links in the description to sign up for public and join our Discord. If you wanted to sign up for public, you need to deposit at least $1 to get that free stock. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.